We have imported all the media we want. Now, as you can see here in the browser, these are all our media. Now, select one of the clip. Now, let's say select this a pack clip. So just click once, and once you click it, you will see a yellow outline. That means a clip has been selected. After selecting it, let's go to that plus sign on the bottom right, and then say click that plus sign. It says add the selection to the movie. You click once, you see the movie already is in the timeline. Alright, now sometimes you will realize that after adding the clip to the timeline, maybe it is not in the right order you wanted it to be. So for example, now maybe we do not want this to be the first one. So what you need to do, you just import any other clip you wanted to import. So let's say this one, the waves in the ocean. I just click that and I add that plus sign. Always say add the selection to the movie. Another way of adding a shortcut is if after selecting your clip, just click letter E on your keyboard. If you click letter E on your keyboard, you see it has already been on the timeline. So you don't have sometimes to click that plus sign. If you just click letter E, that is a very useful keyboard shortcut. Alright, now if this was not the order you want your clips to be, you can just drag. You can click this and drag to be the first one. So now you're with the first and the other one in the second. You just click and drag. Now after we have those two clips on our timeline, iMovie has something also called transitions. Now transition is used if you want to smoothly move from one clip to the other or one photo to the other. You always don't want to have an abrupt interruptions between moving from one clip to the other. So go on, this is called the content, this is on your content area here. Go and click transition. Now if you click transition, you see here you have so many transition. You have cross dissolve, cross blur, fade black. You have a lot of transition. Now we want to select one transition called wipe left. So you can just select it, wipe left, and it shows there. When you hover, it shows you. Drag the transition to the space before or after the clip. So we just want to click and drag it to the center of these two clips. You see it shows there a plus sign, and on top of it you can see it shows like 1 second. So once you release, it shows. Now we can move our playhead at the beginning, and let's try to play this movie. Now you see that transition, in the smooth transition from a first clip to the second clip.